in which case it would be important for the country to improve its performance. So that's why I said, vote or no vote, referendum or no referendum, austerity has to be undertaken by this government. So that's why the referendum was only a gimmick. Now, if they want to improve, they have to undergo transformation if they want to survive. Otherwise, it doesn't take them far. Tourism is one of the major revenue earners. Yes. Yeah. 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 See, not the main industry, but certainly one of the key drivers of growth is tourism. See, when the currency wasn't, when the value, when this turmoil was happening, the currency was not devaluating. Okay, was not devaluing, with the result that the prices continued to be higher. Prices in terms of euro continued to be higher at that point in time, and the economy kept on deteriorating, and the government kept on spending money on frivolous things, on pension, on providing employment to the people who were unemployed. So that was the situation which was very precarious, So even if the flow of tourists did not increase because the prices did not fall. Got my point? Had it been their local currency, the prices would have fallen immediately because of the situation. Prices did not fall because the price mechanism was being controlled by the European Union, the Eurozone. Got it? They would come. They were same. Yeah. About 20% of the export revenue of Greece comes from tourism, and it continues. But that's hardly sufficient to meet all the frivolous expenditure that has happened. Yeah, 20%, which is one of the major earners. Right. Yeah. So it does not. Yeah. Right. No. About 20% of the. Yeah. 20%, according to them, is quite high, but still is low. Actually, it cannot sustain the economy.
There is need for a strong global regulator, because Greece is getting, then Germany may suffer, ultimately Europe or some other parts. There is no.
Again, would require a lot of debate. Yes. But I feel there is need for, as we say in case of businesses, the standards, better reporting standards and better discipline, fiscal discipline of the government is what is required. It's badly needed, and that's one area where India is also lacking. Our statistics are not reliable. So बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So this. When बिल्कुल. Exactly. The railway minister says that he has made surplus. Next railway minister says that it was a deficit, not a surplus. So it's like that. New proposal. So, reporting standards, public debt, the government companies, the public sector, all these are not reliable in terms of statistics. Yeah, every year there is a recapitalization. No, exactly. As I said, and the biggest defaulters are biggest corporations. That's another tragedy. The biggest defaulters are not the medium-sized businessmen, but very, very large businesses. It's the banking system. That's why the first lesson that we learn from Greece tragedy is banking system. Unless we strengthen. I don't know who. See, what we call privatization itself is a farce. When we say privatization, we sell 49% of the equity to the public. That does not make it, actually, in true sense of the term, that does not make it private. Coal India, 49% privatized, does not make it private. It still continues to be Coal India. Moil continues to be Moil with the same ownership with 49%. So privatization would mean ownership coming in the hands of public, which would never happen. In the present scenario, it would never happen. So privatization itself is a farce. Unless it is sold off lock, stock and barrel to the public, it does not happen that way.
फ्रेंड्स, एक्चुअली व्हेन दिस प्रोग्राम जब ये डिजाइन हो रहा था ना, तब लग रहा था कि शायद 2 घंटा बहुत लंबा समय रहेगा, तो सर से भी डिस्कशन हो रहा था, बगड़िया सर से भी। मैंने कहा कि सर व्हेन ही विल स्टार्ट ही हैज सो मच टू स्पीक एंड सो मच R&D ही हैज डन कि वो शायद पूरा दिन भी बैठेंगे ना तो टॉपिक खत्म नहीं होगा। ही विल बी हैविंग दैट मच मटेरियल विथ हिम एंड फॉर कंटिन्यूअस 70 minutes he has spoken in this program non-stop. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, I am really thankful to you for giving your valuable time, valuable inputs, and so much R&D and so much discussion that has led in this program. As a token of love and affection and the remembrance of this program, I would request the past president of VIS, Shri Professor Doshi, to please offer him a memento. Session ले लेने आगे। सर वो कॉफी पिया? प्लीज। हाँ से सेशन आगे आ जाए। मैंने एक वो इंट्रोडक्शन में एक पार्ट ऐसे जितनी देर रहे कुछ ना कुछ नई चीजें रहती है। ही इज द बेस्ट फोटोग्राफर। इन्होंने कुछ ऐसी फोटोग्राफी की है जो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया और बाकी न्यूज़पेपर हैज अप्रोच्ड हिम फॉर टेकिंग द राइट्स आल्सो। शायद नेक्स्ट टाइम न्यूज सेशन कुछ और टॉपिक पे लेंगे। एंड थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर मेकिंग दिस सेशन लाइवली। थैंक यू ऑल।
Thank you very much, everybody.
All can join for the tea. Sir, every year we are planning one session of sir.